Hi guys, once again welcome back to Stay Charming. My name is Pooja. So today's video is very interesting video. It's about a hairstyle which is very simple and very classy. It's very much into trend these days and it does not take much time. And before I start, I am applying Pantene oil replacement in my hair to control frizziness, and then I'm taking front section of my hair, then going to divide it into 3 equal sections. Then follow the steps the way I am doing. It's not difficult to do, it's very easy because we want a messy kind of hairstyle, so we need not to worry about combing hair again and again. If you guys are watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel to become part of Stay Charming family, and if you have already done so, thank you so much for that. If you guys are interested in watching Hindi videos, please subscribe to my Hindi channel, which is Beauty and Creativity. Also hit the bell button to get the notification of all the latest videos. You can follow me on Instagram also. My Instagram handle is beauty12creativity. If you are liking this video, please press that like button. It means a lot to me. Now I have completed my braid and now I am securing my hair with a black color rubber band. You can use any other color also, but that might be visible and which does not look nice. Now with these hair I'll make a top bun using U-pins, which are known as juda pins also. You can use a small clutcher also, that's completely your choice. I'm pulling some hair from the front section to give it a messy look. Now I am taking small section from one side. First I am taking from the left side and will secure it around the bun. I'll take it one by one. First I'll do it from left side, then I'll do it from right side. And again I'll secure these hair with the help of U-pins. Now my hairstyle is almost ready. How simple is that? I hope you really liked it, and if you really liked it, please press that like button. That's all for this video guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Meet you in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Stay happy, stay charming.